Zoe finishing up her dinner. And she loves the rice. Yeah, the rice. Yummy, huh? So, you gonna eat your rice? Huh? You've been shoveling it in your mouth, and then as soon as Mama gets the camera on you, you quit, huh? You gonna give yourself a little bite? Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's right. You said it, huh? Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, good girl.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.